Hello everyone, Twistncoils here. So you guys wanted to see more men's hairstyles, so that's what we're doing here today. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Okay, so we started off with freshly washed hair, and then we're gonna go into blow drying. I'll leave a link down below with everything that we use for his hair today. And you guys know I love Revere, so I'll definitely leave the link down below for the blow dryer as well. So you guys sent me a style from Pinterest, so that's what we're gonna try to achieve today. So I'm gonna pop in here and there, but let me know what you think in the end and how did I do. Okay, so now that we've cleansed his hair and blow dried, we're going to start off with the middle part going all the way down the center. Okay, so once you have your two sections, then we're going to break that down into 3 sections on each side. So this could be larger or smaller depending upon the client's head, so it may not be exact, so just do what feels right based on their hair type and thickness. So we're going to do 3 sections here. Okay, so now that you have your 3 sections, we're just going to clean up those parts and make them really nice and neat. And then we're going to work on one section at a time. Okay, so on that first section, we're going to actually make a part going from the temple back, and we're just going to try to keep that really lined up. So we're just going to make a section there, and then we're going to go down and then across. So I left the arrows there so you guys can see exactly how we're going to do that. Okay, so we're going to pretty much repeat that same pattern for the top. We're going to go up and then across as well, and we're going to repeat that for each section, so stay tuned so you can see how it all falls together. Okay, so we're going to repeat those same steps. We're going to go across, still following along with that same part that we made at the temple. We're going to go across there, and we're going to do the same exact parting pattern there, creating like a cross. so once you're done, you should have a section that looks like this here, and we're going to do that same step for each section. Okay, y'all, so I had to pull out my stool. I know I haven't shrunk. I know I'm tall. I think it's just because his head's big. So, what y'all think? Okay, so we're going to do the same thing on the other side. It should look something like this on each side, and then we're going to just braid those sides down. If you're not following me on Instagram, please go ahead and follow me. I go ahead and share a little sneak peeks and different things, so definitely follow me there, and also follow me on TikTok. I'm on TikTok now, so follow me there as well. Okay, so here we're just gonna braid section down, and I'm just actually braiding how I braid. So you guys call it the stitch braid, but this is the only way I know how to braid. So just making those sections there and just braiding the hair down, and that's what you're gonna do for each section that's left, and that's gonna be it. Okay, so that's pretty much it for this look, and you're gonna repeat the same steps on the other side. And again, this was sent by Pinterest. If you're not following me on Pinterest, please go ahead and follow me. And we're gonna repeat that same process on the other side, and that's going to be it. Okay, so that pretty much wraps up this look. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Again, if you're not following me on all my platforms, please go ahead and follow me. And also, if you're not following me on Patreon, please support if you can. And as always, I thank you to my new subscribers and current subscribers hanging in with me. You guys have a blessed day.